Cancer. This is not a casual reading. This is the kind of message that finds you when your heart has been quietly thinking about the direction your life is taking. Something around you has been shifting slowly, almost invisibly, like the tide changing before anyone notices the water moving. You may feel it in small ways, a thought that keeps returning, a situation that no longer feels the same, a person whose energy around you has started to change. Cancer, you are one of the most intuitive signs in the Zodiac. You sense emotional movement long before others see it clearly. Right now, something unexpected is forming behind the scenes of your life. Not something chaotic, not something meant to disturb your peace, but something that asks you to look at your current path and ask a deeper question. Is this still aligned with who I am becoming? Sometimes life does not bring big dramatic changes immediately. Sometimes it begins with a quiet signal, a realization, a conversation, a moment where you see something differently than you did before. And Cancer, that is exactly the energy around you now. The first card appearing in this reading is the High Priestess. Cancer, this card speaks directly to your natural strength, intuition, inner knowing, the ability to sense truth without needing loud evidence. The High Priestess appears when something important is happening quietly beneath the surface. You may feel like there is information you do not fully have yet. Perhaps a situation around you feels incomplete. Maybe someone is not saying everything they truly feel. Or maybe you sense that something about your environment is about to shift even though nothing obvious has happened yet. The High Priestess asks you to trust that instinct instead of ignoring it. Cancer energy sometimes doubts itself when others ask for logical proof. But intuition rarely speaks loudly. It whispers. It nudges. It shows you patterns before facts appear. There may also be someone around you who is observing you carefully right now. This could be a person at work, someone in your social circle, or even someone who has been quietly interested in your life from a distance. They may not speak openly yet, but their attention toward you is growing. The deeper message of the High Priestess is patience. Not everything needs immediate action. Some things reveal themselves naturally when the time is right. If you rush before clarity arrives, you may misunderstand the situation. Cancer, your strength right now is observation. Notice people's behavior. Notice your own emotional reactions. Notice where your energy feels peaceful and where it feels uneasy. The answers you seek are already forming around you. The second card entering the reading is Eight of Cups. This card speaks about emotional departure, but not always in a dramatic way. Sometimes the Eight of Cups simply means you are beginning to outgrow something that once meant a lot to you. Cancer, there may be a situation in your life where you are slowly realizing that your heart is no longer fully invested. This could be a relationship, a job environment, a routine, or even a goal you once chased passionately. At first, this realization can feel confusing. You may ask yourself why your feelings changed when nothing major happened. But growth often works this way. Your emotional needs evolve, and suddenly something that once felt right no longer feels aligned. This card does not mean you must walk away immediately. Instead, it highlights a stage of emotional awareness. You begin noticing where your energy feels fulfilled and where it feels empty. Some Cancers watching this may also be healing from disappointment. Perhaps you gave someone your trust and realized they could not meet you at the same emotional depth. That realization may have been painful, but it also opened your eyes. The Eight of Cups encourages you to honor your emotional truth. Not everyone can travel the same emotional path as you, and that is okay. Sometimes leaving a situation internally is the first step before any external change happens. The third card appearing here is Page of Pentacles. Now this is where the energy begins shifting towards something constructive. The Page of Pentacles represents a new beginning connected to growth, learning, or opportunity. Cancer, something practical may soon enter your life. This could be a new work idea, a skill you start developing, or even an opportunity that helps improve your financial stability. It may not appear as a huge success immediately, but it carries long-term potential. Pages in tarot represent early stages, seeds, possibilities, something that starts small but can grow into something meaningful if you nurture it properly. You may receive advice from someone younger than you, or someone who approaches life with curiosity and fresh perspective. Do not underestimate these conversations. Sometimes wisdom arrives through unexpected voices. The Page of Pentacles also invites you to take yourself seriously in a new way. Maybe you have been focusing on others for a long time, supporting people emotionally while neglecting your own development. This card reminds you that your future deserves attention too. Whatever this new path is, approach it with patience. Learn slowly. Build carefully. Growth that lasts is rarely rushed. The fourth card appearing here is Justice. Cancer. This card brings truth and balance into situations that may have felt unfair in the past. If you have recently experienced misunderstandings, false assumptions, or unequal treatment, justice indicates that clarity will soon arrive. Someone may finally see the situation from your perspective. Information may surface that reveals the truth about something that was hidden or misrepresented. The energy of justice always moves toward fairness, even if the process takes time. For some of you, this card may connect to official matters, contracts, agreements, legal documents, or decisions involving institutions. If you've been waiting for an answer or resolution, this card suggests that progress is coming. But justice also speaks about personal accountability. It asks you to evaluate your own decisions honestly. Where have you been fair to yourself? And where have you accepted less than you deserved? Cancer energy sometimes prioritizes harmony over truth. You may forgive quickly just to avoid conflict. But justice reminds you that fairness must exist for everyone involved, including you. When balance returns, situations become clearer. You no longer need to guess people's intentions. You see their actions directly. Before we continue with the next four cards, if you feel this reading is describing something unfolding in your life right now, and you want deeper clarity about your personal situation, I offer personal readings starting at $9, where we look specifically at your timeline, your relationships, and your decisions. If this message is resonating with you, like the video so it reaches other Cancer souls who may be experiencing the same shifts. Comment what part of the reading felt closest to your situation, and subscribe if you want grounded, detailed readings like this regularly. The next card appearing now is Ten of Pentacles. Cancer, this card brings a very different tone compared to the earlier emotional shifts. Ten of Pentacles speaks about long-term stability, family structure, and the kind of success that builds slowly but lasts for years. This is not temporary luck. This is the energy of something solid being formed in your life. For many of you, this card connects strongly with financial or family foundations. You may start thinking more seriously about long-term security. Saving money, improving your living situation, supporting family members, or building something that gives stability instead of short bursts of excitement. Some Cancer viewers may also experience improvement in family relationships, a conversation that brings understanding, a reunion after distance, or simply a stronger sense that the people around you are becoming more supportive and reliable. Ten of Pentacles also suggests that something you are building now will matter later in your life story. The job you choose, the partnership you invest in, or the home environment you create may become a foundation for the next stage of your life. This card reminds you that emotional security and material security often work together. When your environment becomes stable, your mind feels calmer. And when your mind is calmer, you can make wiser decisions for the future. The next card entering the reading is Knight of Cups. Cancer, this card carries emotional movement and sincere expression. The Knight of Cups often represents someone who approaches life with feelings first. For a water sign like you, this energy feels familiar. Someone may soon express emotions that they have been holding back. This could be romantic interest, an apology, appreciation, or simply someone admitting something they should have said long ago. This person may approach gently rather than dramatically. For some of you, the Knight of Cups represents a new emotional connection entering your life. Not necessarily intense immediately, but sincere. Someone who values emotional understanding and genuine conversation. However, the Knight of Cups also encourages emotional maturity. When feelings are expressed, it is important to listen carefully and respond with clarity. Do not let nostalgia or temporary emotions guide your entire decision. Cancer sometimes holds on to memories strongly. When someone from the past reappears with emotional words, it can reopen feelings quickly. But ask yourself practical questions. Has this person truly grown? Are their actions matching their words now? The gift of the Knight of Cups is honest emotional communication. Whether you choose to accept it or simply understand it and move forward, the truth itself will bring clarity. The seventh card appearing now is Six of Swords. Cancer. This card represents movement away from difficulty and toward calmer circumstances. It does not always mean physical travel, though for some viewers, relocation or short-distance movement could appear. More often, it represents emotional transition. You may slowly leave behind a period that felt heavy or mentally exhausting. A situation that caused confusion, conflict, or repeated stress may begin losing its power over you. The Six of Swords often happens when you finally decide that peace matters more than proving a point. Instead of trying to fix everything or convince everyone, you simply move toward environments that feel healthier. This transition may also involve distance from certain people, not because you hate them, but because your priorities are changing. Your energy becomes more focused on stability, growth, and emotional safety. For some Cancer viewers, this card shows that help may appear during this transition. Someone may guide you, support you, or give advice that helps you move forward more smoothly. Leaving difficult waters does not mean forgetting the past. It means learning from it and choosing calmer paths moving forward. The eighth and final card appearing in this reading is the Sun. Cancer. This is one of the most positive cards in tarot. The Sun represents clarity, happiness, and a period where things begin making sense again. After emotional confusion or heavy thinking, the Sun brings light to situations that once felt uncertain. Truth becomes visible. Decisions feel easier. Your confidence slowly returns. You may notice improvement in your mood, your health, or your daily environment. Even small things may start feeling lighter. Conversations become easier. Opportunities feel more positive. People around you respond differently to your energy. For some Cancer viewers, this card also highlights success connected to something you have been working toward. Recognition, appreciation, or simply seeing the results of your efforts may arrive. The Sun reminds you that difficult chapters are not permanent. They often exist to prepare you for a clearer and more joyful phase of life. And Cancer, the journey these cards show is exactly that. You moved from quiet observation and emotional evaluation towards stability, emotional honesty, and finally clarity. Affirmation for you: I trust my intuition to guide my decisions. I release situations that no longer align with my growth. I welcome stability, honesty, and emotional peace into my life.